Imagine you have an extra $100. For some, it might be spent on takeout, a night out with friends, or a new gadget. But what if I told you that same $100 could be the first building block in your journey to financial independence? Yes, with just $100, you can start investing, even if you've never invested before. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to start investing with only $100. I'll walk you through 5 simple, effective steps that anyone can follow, regardless of experience. By the end, you'll see how that small amount of money can grow into something powerful, thanks to the magic of compound interest and smart investing. So why start investing now? Here's the reality. Your early 20s and 30s are golden years for building wealth. Money invested now has decades to grow, meaning your money has a chance to multiply significantly. Think of it this way. The $100 you invest today can grow far beyond that if you give it enough time. Imagine being able to afford the life you want down the road without constantly worrying about money. Investing, even in small amounts, can turn that dream into a reality. And don't worry if you don't have thousands to start. Today, investing platforms have made it easy and accessible for beginners. With $100, you're set to go. Step 1 is choosing the right investment platform. Today, there are several platforms specifically designed for beginner investors that allow you to start with very low minimums. Look for trusted names like Robinhood, Fidelity, or M1 Finance. These apps make it easy for you to invest small amounts, even just $1 or $5 at a time, without charging high fees. Each platform has its strengths. Some are great for learning, others for building a diverse portfolio. Take a few minutes to explore what each one offers and select the one that best fits your needs and goals. Step 2. Invest in exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are collections of stocks or bonds, giving you a way to invest in multiple assets at once. This means less risk for beginner investors. With $100, you can easily purchase fractional shares of ETFs focused on major market indices like the S&P 500. ETFs are an excellent choice for new investors because they're diversified and often come with lower fees. Think of it as a way to get a little piece of several successful companies with one simple investment. Step 3. Take advantage of fractional shares. Many platforms let you buy a fraction of a stock, so even if a share costs $300, you can invest as little as $5 or $10. This means you're not limited to penny stocks or low-cost shares. You can own part of powerhouse companies like Apple or Amazon even if you don't have hundreds to spare. With $100, you can spread your investment across different companies, giving you the benefits of diversification without the high price tag. This small step helps you build a balanced portfolio right from the start. Step 4. Reinvest your dividends. Some stocks or ETFs pay dividends, small payments to shareholders. By reinvesting these, even small amounts, you're setting your investment on a path to grow faster, thanks to the power of compounding. Most investment apps let you turn on automatic dividend reinvestment, so every penny goes right back into your investment, generating even more potential returns over time. This snowball effect is how small investments become large gains. Step 5. Set it and forget it. Make it a habit. Finally, step 5 is setting a habit. Consistency is key in investing. Set a goal to add $20 or $50 to your investment account each month. Over time, those small amounts compound, especially if you keep investing in diversified ETFs or fractional shares. Automate it if you can. Set up a small, recurring transfer from your checking account so it's done automatically. This approach not only takes the pressure off, but also lets you focus on other goals while your money works for you in the background. So let's bring it all together. You've learned how to take a small sum of $100 and turn it into the start of your wealth building journey. By choosing the right platform, investing in ETFs, using fractional shares, reinvesting dividends, and building a habit, you're setting a solid foundation for your financial future. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but every small step you take now puts you one step closer to your goals. Starting with just $100 may seem modest, but when paired with consistency and time, it can grow into something truly powerful. If you're ready to make your first investment, let's do this together. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and share in the comments what you're planning to invest in first. Today is the best day to start shaping your financial future. Remember, every dollar invested is a vote for the life you want. Thanks for watching, and welcome to your journey toward financial independence with Gen Z Wallet.